Okay. Try not to move.
Steve, do you want to narrate this?
Oh yeah. Second. No, here, you tell him what's going on.
Oh, yes, my legs right now.
Alright, so we're punking our friend and we're saying that our garage door, we left it up and we're out of town, and he's coming over to shut it. He's going to jump over the... There he goes. He's going to jump over the beam and try and shut it. He's looking good in his scrubs. Check it out. Check out the tri-bike.
No, this isn't happening. No.
You're ready. I gotta get ready with my clicker.
I'm gonna throw up a little bit. I'm so scared. It doesn't work.
He's going to come running out, trying to jump over the beam, and Steve's going
Let's
to...
see him jump. Let's see him hurdle.
Ready?
Steve has the garage door opener in his hand. He's going to open it.
I feel so bad. This is funny.
Notice his car is still running.
I feel like I'm on the adrenaline rush right now. Here he goes.
What?
Ready for the jump?
Here he comes. Here he comes.
You ready?
Oh, do it.
Oh my god.
Okay, you cannot do that a lot.
Here it goes. Here it goes.
You're not looking. Look at this up. Only one more time.
So mean.
Like, 6 is my lucky
I'm
number.
taking it.
Breathe for a little bit.
6 is my lucky number.
Oh my gosh, Rob, how are you holding that stick?
Oh my gosh.
This isn't even better than I thought.
Okay, here it comes. Number 3.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, better hurry, Jeff. Better hurry.
Hi.
Look at him.
Noticing that it's going up after he's over.
Look, did you see how high he fell?
Johnny break. Did you see him crash the 6?
This is so mean. Is this the last time? Is this
Last
it?
time.
No.
Oh my gosh.
The last time.
6 is my lucky number.
No, 5.
Oh my gosh.
No. Last time, honey. Look how high. Look how high.
Oh my gosh.
That's it.
Oh my
Honey,
gosh.
guys, that's it. Honey,
No, that is so funny.
We're so taking it to the limit.
no. It's the limit. Rob, you vote now. Stop. This is
They had to get to the priority right now.
He's ticked.
Oh my gosh, she's looking
Oh
all
my gosh,
around.
honey, you have got to let it down this time. This time! You let it down.
Throw it down.
Take
Throw
the
it
remote
down.
from him
Okay.
then.
We let it go.
Give it.
All right. Okay. Okay.
You know he wants to do it again.
No, no.
Hey, wait.
No,
give
no,
me-
no,
When he's
no.
starting off. All right. When he's getting
No,
started.
no,
One.
no,
One
no.
time.
That's too obvious.
No, that's so
Are
mean.
you
He'll
willing to
be
find
able
this
to
right
see
now?
us. He'll see us.
No, one more time. Okay, this is so funny. It's not Sarah, you're doing the one to do this.
What's he doing?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's the last time.
He's checking the door. You know he's checking the door.
He's gonna shut down your garage.
Maybe I
and
should
do
close it.
something.
Close it in a minute.
It's gonna be obvious that it's all of a sudden working. No,
I
better
know.
do it. No, don't think he mastered it. Oh, get Ava. She's
Here it comes.
No, he's figuring it out this time. Watch.
Did
he steal a soda?
Yay, let's go.
He stole a soda.
Yes!
He stole a soda.
Yes.
That is awesome.
Sorry.
He has a soda in his hand.
Yes, he had a soda in his hand.
That is awesome. But he deserved it.
Yeah, he did.
But that's really fun.
I love that
Funny,
he stole
though.
a soda from us.
Oh, that's
And he just took a soda out of the fridge.
Oh, you're gonna be like talking yourself in the car.
He's gonna call you too.
Don't answer though, because we'll be too noisy.
Yeah.
We'll be laughing.
Wait, God, those blinds are
Okay.
making like crazy.
Yeah. Wait. You can see it.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny.